Tonight, I'm going to show you something completely different. A small nightly ritual that takes less than a minute, yet can fully reset your energy, restore your circulation, and even reignite your confidence in the bedroom. No medication, no stimulants, just nature working the way it was designed to. I'm Dr. Narita, a urologist and men's health specialist. For over 12 years, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s restore their vitality without dependency on quick fixes. Because your body isn't broken, it's just missing the right signals and the right timing. In this episode, we'll talk about the 2 vitamins that are the true conductors of your body's repair orchestra. They don't just help you sleep better, they quietly rebuild what time tried to take away: your deep circulation, cellular strength, and natural drive. So before you reach for another magnesium pill, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your body's powerful natural rhythm, starting tonight. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. After 50, every man feels it. You don't bounce back like you used to. Your mornings feel heavier, and your muscle response fades. But here's the truth most men never hear. Your body isn't aging too fast. It's simply being starved of the nutrients and timing it needs to repair itself every single night. Circulation. Slow down. Your blood vessels get stiffer and less elastic. Your crucial nitric oxide, the natural gas your arteries use to expand, starts to drop sharply after 50. This is why you feel sluggish and why your performance may not be what it used to be. Mitochondrial fatigue. Your mitochondria, the tiny batteries inside your cells, slow down. They produce less energy for your heart, brain, and muscles. You may think it's just fatigue, but it's your cells asking for fuel and not getting it. The magnesium misunderstanding. Many men try to fix this by grabbing magnesium, but magnesium is the supporting actor, not the star. Magnesium alone can't fix stiff arteries, rebalance hormones, or reactivate the deep repair genes that have gone silent. It needs instructions from the true leaders. The good news? That rhythm can be restored once you understand the 2 missing vitamins and the perfect moment to use them. Most people never think about when they take their vitamins. They just swallow a handful with coffee and hope for the best. But your body runs on a precise, powerful internal clock, your circadian rhythm. If you ignore that rhythm, you waste half the benefit of what you take. Here's the secret. Your body's best repair window isn't during the day. It's at night between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when your body enters its deepest restoration phase. Your hormones rebalance, your arteries relax, your brain clears waste, and your muscles begin cellular repair. This is when our 2-star vitamins shine brightest. When you take vitamins in the morning, they compete with cortisol, your stress hormone, but when you take them 30 to 60 minutes before bed, you give your body the signal it's been waiting for: time to rebuild. This is the ideal environment for real healing. Your body isn't distracted by stress or digestion. It's focused entirely on one mission: renewal. That's why night is sacred for men's health. It's when testosterone regenerates, nitric oxide production resets, and inflammation finally cools down. These 2 vitamins aren't rare or expensive, but when you combine them and take them at night, they unlock a repair cascade most men over 50 haven't experienced in years. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3, the hormone and nitric oxide switch. The biology. Most men think D3 is just for bones. In truth, it's one of the most underrated hormones in your body. It activates genes that regulate blood flow and hormone balance. Critically, it helps your body produce nitric oxide, the gas that keeps your arteries open, flexible, and responsive. After 50, your skin becomes less efficient at converting sunlight, and D3 levels plummet. The emotional impact. When D3 is low, your arteries stiffen, your energy drops, and your mood may follow. Getting D3 right is key to regaining strength and vitality, a total body feeling of readiness. The practical fix. Aim for about 5,000 IU of D3 nightly. Remember, D3 is fat soluble, so take it with a bit of healthy fat, like a few nuts or a teaspoon of olive oil, to ensure full absorption. Vitamin number 1, vitamin K2, the silent director. This vitamin acts as a traffic cop for calcium, ensuring it strengthens your bones instead of slowly hardening your arteries. The biology. If D3 tells your body what to do, K2 tells it where to do it. When you absorb calcium thanks to D3, your body must decide where it goes. Without K2, calcium can deposit in your arteries and soft tissues, making everything stiffer and cutting down blood flow over time. K2 activates special proteins that literally escort calcium away from your arteries and into your bones where it belongs. The emotional impact, K2 protects your long-term circulation and vascular integrity. The feeling is subtle but profound, a return to smooth, youthful blood flow and a feeling of quiet health that allows confidence to rebuild. The practical fix: aim for 90 to 180 micrograms of K2, specifically the MK7 form, nightly, always paired with D3. The synergy: D3 plus K2 plus magnesium glycinate. The biology: the true power lies in the team. D3 boosts nitric oxide production, K2 keeps the arteries clean, and magnesium glycinate is the cofactor that helps both vitamins work and gently calms your nervous system for deeper nitric oxide boosting sleep. The emotional impact. This synergy ensures that the nightly repair cycle isn't just attempted, but actually completed. You wake up feeling steady, strong, and deeply charged, not jittery or drained. The practical fix: take the trio about 1 hour after dinner with a small, healthy fat source. This aligns the nutrients with your body's peak repair window. Your vitamins won't work if your lifestyle fights against them. Think of this as tuning your body's environment, so D3 and K2 can do their best work. Timed dinner. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Your body can't repair if it's still wrestling with heavy digestion at midnight. The nutrient drop. 1 hour before bed, take your D3 at 5,000 IU, K2 at 90 to 180 micrograms of the MK7 form, and magnesium glycinate with a small healthy fat. This is the official signal to your body. Time to restore. Digital detox. Dim the lights and turn off screens, including phones and TV. Blue light suppresses melatonin, blocking your repair hormones. Give yourself a 30-minute digital detox. Gentle movement. Do 5 minutes of light stretching or deep breathing. This lowers cortisol, opens blood vessels, and primes your brain for deep, healing sleep. Mindset. Reset. Write down one thing you're grateful for. This simple act tells your nervous system to relax, allowing repair hormones to rise naturally. When you combine this calm routine with your nighttime vitamins, you're not forcing your body to get better, you're giving it permission to do what it was born to do: repair. Remember, your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the right timing and the right support to heal itself naturally. This is the kind of balance medicine can't fake, because it's built into your design. Do this consistently, and you'll start noticing subtle changes in days. Better sleep, smoother mornings, and a quiet confidence that feels like youth returning. That's not magic. That's biology finally working the way it was meant to. So tonight, before you sleep, set your vitamins on the bedside table. Make it a promise to yourself, a small nightly ritual that whispers, "I'm taking back my health." Now, I want to hear from you. What's your current nighttime routine? Comment below and share your experience. I read every message and will answer the most common questions in future videos. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a man who needs this message.